Hi guys, I am Isa. Today, we're going to learn how to use a language called SQL. So, first you have to install SQL. To do that, you have to go to the website. So, go right. Okay, so it's here, my SQL downloads. So yeah, let's open it and just go down. Could be MySQL community. And then just go to the MySQL download for Windows. Well, if you're using Windows. Okay, so and basically just download the one that's good. So yeah, after you've downloaded it, you're gonna have MySQL installed. To create our database, you're going to have to write sudo. You're gonna have to write MySQL u root p. So yeah, it's gonna ask you for your password, which you should have wrote when you set up MySQL. Now say welcome to the MySQL monitor or something. So to create our database, we're gonna write create database. We call it data one. And then you have to enter a semicolon. And then we've done, so we can exit. We'll have to open the MySQL workbench, which should come with MySQL. Okay, so MySQL workbench. Just click on the one. After that, there's a password. That's you set. Wait, so now then we create. These are just the other ones that I created. The one we created now is called data one. So just double click on data one, and that's kind of it. All right, so basically it's gonna show this code editor, and the first you want to do is create a table. So to create a table, right? Create table. And also, these commands could be capital or lowercase, but you probably put them in capital. You know, so as they'll be distinct from everything else. Create. Wait, no, not database. Create table. The table one, I guess. So now the table one. No, table one. There different types of there's different types of data types in SQL. So some of them are int, which is a number, varchar, which is a string, and also you have to specify the amount of characters it can hold, and and also date, which is a date, and also char, which is a character. So anyways, back to our table. So just say ID int. That's the ID. Primary key. It's gonna be the key that's used to identify it. And then comma. Now let's code the name. Varchar. So it's gonna be a string. It's gonna be able to hold up to 20. And the age is also going to be an int. So now we have our table done. To create the table, select everything. Select all the code you want to run. Let's Control Shift Enter. Create a table, as you can see by this thing. We can write describe table one. So now if we run it, go to describe the table. There's the IDs, the name, and the age. So yeah. Okay, so now to actually add stuff. Then right, insert into table one the values. Values. Okay, so we have to write the values. So first is the ID. This is gonna be one. The name will be person one. The age is gonna be, I don't know, just gonna write 16. So right, so now just, I don't know, copy it. Person 2 18. person 3, 17. Also, the IDs have to be different since it's a primary key. Run. So it's done inserting all of them. Okay, so basically you have to write select. So it's gonna take everything from table 1. So now if I run it, you need to select everything from table 1. So there's person 1, person 2, and person 3. Right, so the last thing that we're gonna do in this tutorial is last thing we're going to do in this tutorial is sorting or ordering. Let's say order by. Let's say order by I don't know, name. Okay, if I change this one's name to like C and this one's name to like I don't know Y and this one's name to like A. That's what I'm seeing. Now if I run it, it's gonna order them by name. Oh yeah, I just gotta change this. It doesn't work since it's duplicate entry. So instead, we have to write insert into table 1 values 1 C 16 where ID equal to 1. And so it's going to insert those values where the ID is 1. So we're going to write delete from table 1 where we're just gonna remove this. Okay, actually, I'll remove. So delete from table 1 where ID is equal to 1. If I run it, now I select everything. The 1 is gone. So now if I just change this to 2, 1 it, just a 3, 1 it. So now I can recreate. So now if I order them by name, the first one will be C and stuff. Okay, let me just run all of these. Great, so now if I do this again, the first one is A, next one is C, this is Y. So it doesn't order it by ID, it orders it by the name. And if I change these ages, and if I order by age, and I select everything table, it's gonna order it by age, so that's 16, 18, and 20. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. So bye.